Why do I have to study MATLAB? What is MATLAB? Today, we'll answer those questions. The world we live in is constantly described, understood, and transformed by equations. Equations that help build bridges, launch rockets, and even understand the human brain. But how do scientists, engineers, and researchers tackle these complex equations? Well, they use a tool that's been a game changer for decades, MATLAB. Welcome to SciPK, I'm PK, and today we're diving into MATLAB and its transformative role in engineering. Picture this, the late 1970s. Computers are still these behemoth machines, and Cleve Moeller, a university professor, creates the first iteration of MATLAB. Not to sell the software, but to give his students access to two software libraries inside of Fortran without them having to learn Fortran. Simply put, MATLAB started as an interface for these libraries, tools that help with linear algebra. But over time, it grew into something much, much larger. Fast forward to today, and MATLAB is used in thousands of fields. It's no longer used just for linear algebra. You know, linear algebra. Matrices and vector spaces and all the cool stuff you could do with them. From creating models of the neurons inside your brain to simulations of fluid dynamics and even algorithms that help us with financial markets, MATLAB's tentacles have spread far and wide. Despite its widespread use in the professional world, it's funny how most of us have only ever scratched its surface in a university class, or, like the majority of the world, never heard of it at all. At its core, MATLAB, which stands for Matrix Laboratory, uses matrices to solve problems. It might sound mundane, but matrices are fundamental to complex systems. But why is it that engineers love MATLAB? Well, it's built for them. The combination of computation, visualization, and programming in an easy-to-understand environment makes it ideal for engineers. For the civil engineers sort out there, imagine designing this bridge. Well, in MATLAB, you can figure out the stresses on the bridge and how to counter those stresses all in one place. And that is the beauty of MATLAB. It's not just a tool, it's an ecosystem where abstract concepts get visualized and where problems find their solutions. Just as this gyroscope is a culmination of the principles of physics, MATLAB is a culmination of decades of engineering innovation. It's a testament to how a great tool can change the world, one equation at a time. Thanks for joining me on this journey. If you liked the video, leave a thumbs up. And if you'd like to share any thoughts, leave them in the comments below. As always, keep exploring. I'll see you next Saturday. I'm editing the video right now, but I forgot to mention that I also have a Twitch, a Kick, as well as a second YouTube channel where I will be posting or discussing more about video games, movies, shows, stuff like that. So it'll be less professional. Check out twitch.tv/SciPK, kick.com/SciPK, as well as SciPK Unprofessional. See you guys soon.